research group is where team members work. The questionnaires, surveys, and projects created within a study group can be used by all members of the group. To create a research group, click on the Create Research Group button in the Your Research Groups section of the main panel. This option can also be found in the Research Groups tab. Creating a research group requires you to give it a name. Create a project within a research group by clicking on the Create Research Project tab in the top corner of the screen. Creating a project requires giving it a name. Enter a name for the project and then click Create. Create a research within a project by clicking the Create Research button above the name of the created project. Select Survey Type. Select Survey Name. Select Survey Description and Questionnaire Type. Then click Add Survey.